Okay, good evening, guys. So let us start out with a new topic. Sorry, just a moment. The chemical bond. So the previous class we learned how can we write that electronic configuration, isn't it? Na? And determination of that lone pair of electrons. Okay, and hybridization part also. Just one more that method, because in the previous class we learned that so many methods, two or the three methods we learn, I think, isn't it? Na? One there is the orbital method, one in inorganic plus in that organic chemistry of that determination of that hybridization also we found, isn't it? Na? And yesterday, the previous class we learned that one more method to find out that hybridization part. Okay, now it's today we are going to learn which one, beta? What is the name of the topic? Dipole moment. Very, very, very interesting topic. Okay. Let us start with sorry. So dipole moment. First, the dipole moment is denoted by what? What is it? The dipole moment is denoted by what, beta? What is the name of the sign? How can we say this one?
Mu.
Mu. Yes, beta. Not mu. Mu. M-U-E. Mu. Just like that, the cat can go like that, meow, like that. So just say like that, mu only, but not mu. Mu is nothing but what? Say, what does it mean of that mu? Mu ante enti beta? See, dipole moment is going to written as that mu. This one. This one is denoted by what? Mu. Okay. This one is given for what? Dipole moment. dm. And it is that unit will be that dBi. dBi. Then what about this one, beta? Nu. This one is known as that mu. This one is known as that nu. N-U-E. Nu. This stands for what? Come on, say me everyone. Anyone? This sign is given for what, beta? Hurry up. This sign is given for what? Okay, I will tell you. What about this one, beta? What about this one? Sign.
Wavelength.
Wavelength. Okay, that word is that wavelength, but sign, how can we call it as? Huh? How can we call it, beta? Wavelength is that
Lambda.
Yeah, exactly. Yes, very good. Lambda. Okay. Then what about this one? C. C is nothing but what? Velocity of light. In your the previous classes, I think that you are already learned velocity of light. So C stands for what? Velocity of light. Here, lambda is stands for what? Wavelength. Lambda is stands for what? Wavelength. Then what about this one, beta? Nu on top. That is given for yes, frequency. And I think that in your the previous lower the classes in atomic structure, have you ever seen this formula, beta? C equal to nu lambda. Have you ever seen this formula in your that lower classes?
No, sir.
Then nu equal to find out the frequency, nu equal to just simply we can write as that C by lambda. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
So this is the difference between that meow and meow, like that. Okay. So meow is nothing but, let us suppose as mu for dipole moment, and nu the sign అంటే ఇలా రాస్తాం, ఇలా v ఇలా రాసి దాన్ని మనం ఇదిగో ఇలా రాస్తే అది న్యూ అవుతుంది. That can be given for that frequency. Frequency of what? Radiation. Radiation is nothing but what? Light. Radiation is nothing but what? Light. So దానికి మనం ఇది ఇస్తాం. ఓకేనా? చలో, come to the point over here. So dipole moment is given by a sign mu, and it is a vector quantity. So what does it mean of that vector quantity? We can learn in that our next classes. Okay, not now. In the states of matter, one chapter is that. So there we can learn about this, that quantity, vector quantity. Next, so it depends on what? The spatial arrangement of that atoms. Spatial arrangement with what? Is the shape. So the dipole moment is mainly depending upon what? The shape of that atoms. Okay, what is the first point? The dipole moment, it is a vector
Depends
quantity
on shape of atom.
and it depends on shape of
Shape of
atoms.
atom.
Okay, now next, the dipole moment is directly proportional to polarity. So what does it mean of that polarity, beta? Polarity means polar, which is having the charges. Polar means which is having the charges like plus and minus like that. So that's why we can say that polar molecule like that. Okay, non-polar means what? Do not having the charges. So here the dipole moment mu is directly proportional to the polarity. Now let us see better. How can we give the differentiation about this the dipole moment? Suppose if that any diatomic molecules are there. Diatomic molecule means see here that H2 is taken here, and next nitrogen is taken, next oxygen O2 is taken, and chlorine Cl2 is taken. So here all are belongs to diatomic molecules. So for the diatomic molecules, and that too in that diatomic molecule is also they should be contains that similar atoms, means a hydrogen is going to be, hydrogen of the one atom is going to be combined with that hydrogen of that another, the similar atom only, not any another atom. See, what about over here, that next point? This is also diatomic molecule. HF, HCl, HBr, HI, but they are the different atoms are there. See, hydrogen and that fluorine. Hydrogen, fluorine. When the both combines, then simply we can say is the diatomic molecule, but they are the differ. Hydrogen, fluorine, different atoms are there, but hydrogen and hydrogen, they are the diatomic molecule but contains that similar atoms, same atoms ఉన్నాయి. అర్థమవుతుంది కదా బేట కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, సో డయాటమిక్ మాలిక్యూల్ ఒకవేళ అందులో కూడా ఆటమ్స్ సేమ్ ఉంటేనేమో అవి నాన్ అంటే డైపోల్ మూమెంట్ జీరో ఉంటుంది సేమ్ ఉంటే. ఓకేనా, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సి బేట, సేమ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఈస్ దేర్ లైక్ దట్, దిస్ వన్. Let us check. Now tell me beta, these two atoms, let us suppose here I have taken the two atoms. Here I taken the two atoms, and here it is also just I taken the another two atoms. Two atoms means that both are, what is that? Diatomic molecule. Okay, let us suppose this is a, idade kada beta nenu cheppindi idade kada diatomic molecule, isn't it na? Let us suppose this is a one diatomic molecule. ఈ రెండు కలిస్తే ఇప్పుడు మాలిక్యూల్ అవుతుంది కదా. లెట్ us suppose this one is also another diatomic molecule. Another diatomic molecule. Now let us get the differentiate between these. These the diatomic molecule is contains that same atoms or different atoms beta. Structure is that same na. Look at that overhead. వీని హెడ్ ఎట్లా ఉందో వీని హెడ్ అలాగే ఉంది, వీని హ్యాండ్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయో అలాగే ఉన్నాయి. So this diatomic molecule is contains the what? Similar atoms.
Same atom.
We are the similar. But what about over here beta? Look at this molecule. Are they same or differ?
Different.
Means differ. So diatomic molecule ఇది ఎలా ఉంటుంది బేటా? డిఫరెంట్ అని ఉంటుంది. అయితే డైపోల్ మూమెంట్ ఇక్కడ సేమ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి, see, not the dipole moment, here these two atoms are showing that similar. అలాంటప్పుడు వీళ్ళని గుర్తుపట్టగలం ఈజీ, అంటే గుర్తుపట్టగలమా మనం? Is it possible to recognize them? Is it possible?
No sir.
No, not possible. So that's why the dipole moment అలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. So the dipole moment will be zero for similar diatomic molecules. అలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఓకేనా? Understood or not? This is that small hint to remember easily.
Yes, sir.
Okay, వీళ్ళిద్దరు ఫేస్లు సేమ్ ఉంటాయి బేటా, జస్ట్ లైక్ దట్ కజిన్స్ అనుకో. సారీ, నాట్ కజిన్స్, ట్విన్స్. ట్విన్స్ ని మనం ఈజీగా గుర్తుపట్టగలమా? నో, నాట్ పాసిబుల్. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ నాట్ possible to recognize easily. So that's why that the dipole moment mu value will be 0. But what about here beta? We can find out both. అంటే చూడండి బెటా, సి వీడేమో ఇలా హ్యాండ్స్ పెట్టాడు, వీడేమో పైకి పెట్టాడు. వీడేమో హ్యాండ్స్ జస్ట్ he kept his hands the downward direction. But what about over here? Just he kept his hands over upward direction, పైకి ఉంచాడు. అంటే this is also the diatomic molecule, but the different atoms are there. Then it is easy to find out the differentiation. Acha, వీడేమో కిందికి ఉన్నాడు, వీడేమో పైకి ఉన్నాడు అని we can find out the dipole moment. అంటే here mu value is not equal to 0. That means it may be that 1 or 2 or 3 like that. So that means that a specific we can find out the value, the dipole moment value we can easily find out for this type of the molecules. Understood now beta? This one okay na?
Yes.
So see beta, so the same thing here I'm already given the diatomic molecules which contains the similar atoms, that mu value will be 0. But the diatomic molecules which is having that different atoms means that not as similar, then we can find out the dipole moment. For that one, that mu value is not equal to 0. So not equal to 0 means what? It may be contains that 1 or 2 something value only na, isn't it or not?
Yes, sir.
So that means ikkada manaku mu value is not equal to 0. So that means here we are going to finding the dipole moment. అంటే ఈ రెండిటికి ఏమంటాం బెటా, ఇది పోలార్. అంటే పోలార్ అంటే దట్ మీన్స్ హ్యావింగ్ ద చార్జెస్, అంటే ఒకడు ప్లస్ ఉన్నాడు, ఒకడు మైనస్ ఉన్నాడు, అవునా? అలాగ అంటే డిఫరెంట్ చార్జెస్ బెటా. అండర్స్టూడ్ ఆర్ నాట్? ప్లస్ ఉన్నోడేమో జస్ట్ ఈస్ గివింగ్ ద డైరెక్షన్ టువర్డ్స్ ద డౌన్వర్డ్, and the negative charge is given the direction towards upward direction. See here I'm showing over here, then you can understood now beta. So if the both the diatomic molecules, if they contains the different atoms means contains that obviously that a different charge. So if the different charge is there, simply we can say there belongs to polar, there belongs to polar. But what about here beta? They are the non-polar. Non-polar means the specific we can't justify that which atom is contains that plus and which atom is contains that minus, isn't it na? Ante that means to say in our that local language,
Yes, sir. Both are same.
అంటే ఎవరు పెద్ద ఎవరు చిన్న, అంటే ఎవరు అన్న ఎవరు తమ్ముడు అని మనం గుర్తుపట్టలేమా? అన్నప్పుడు మనం గుర్తుపట్టగలమా? isn't it na? Is it possible to find out this that both of the atoms, who is the elder and who is the younger? Is it possible?
No, sir.
No, not possible. ఎందుకంటే సిమిలర్ ఉన్నారు. అంటే mu value just we can't recognize them, we can't recognize the dipole moment. So that's why I mentioned as that mu equal to 0. So that's why those molecule is having the dipole moment equal to 0, they can say as non-polar beta. Non-polar. Polar means what? Charges. Non-polar means what?
Having
We
charges.
can't justify
No
the
charges.
Does not have any charges.
okay na, we can't justify the charges. Justify the charges in the means to be say in our that local language, who is brother, who is the elder brother, who is the younger brother, we can't justify, isn't it na? So it's the very easy method to remind. Understood na? Chalo beta, now I'm going
Yeah,
to
sir.
I'm going to close this one now. Chalo beta, now tell me one thing. So just I'm going to memorize once. First, the dipole moment. Dipole moment is denoted by what? Come on, tell me. Mu.
Mu.
Okay na? Next.
Yes, sir.
Dipole moment is mainly depending upon what? On shape of atoms. Isn't
Shape
it
of
na?
atoms.
Dipole moment is mainly depending upon what? On shape of atoms.
Shape of
Next,
atoms.
the dipole moment is directly proportional to one polarity. This
Polarity.
is the second point. Okay na? Next, third one, when the diatomic molecules are there, when two different diatomic molecules are there, in first diatomic molecule, if it contains that similar atoms, that means simply similar atoms ante manam simple ga in our the local language, how can we remind beta? Twins. అలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. సిమిలర్ ఆటమ్స్ మీన్స్ జస్ట్ డూ రిమెంబర్ లైక్ దట్ ఇట్ మీన్స్ వాటికి మనం డైపోల్ మూమెంట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయగలమా? ఇస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. సో ద మ్యూ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఇఫ్ మ్యూ ఈక్వల్ టు 0,
Non-polar.
is the non-polar. Very good. Next, if the diatomic molecule is there, which can consist that different atoms are there.
Different
So
atoms.
for the different atoms,
Plus or
obviously
minus.
we can contains very good plus or minus ఉంటుంది. అంటే plus or minus ఉంటుంది అని అంటే we can find out the dipole moment na. So that means here simply we can say as that mu is not equal to 0. That
0.
means they are we are expressing that plus and minus. We can easily justify them. We can easily find out who is the elder brother, who is the younger brother, isn't it now? So ఎవడు అన్న
Yeah,
ఎవడు
sir.
తమ్ముడు అని చెప్పేసి మనం ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయగలం. Then that is nothing but that polar. Understood? Clear beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now see. And here I given the order also. What is that? HF is having that more dipole moment than that of HCl, HBr and HI. Okay? Because
Example, sir.
yes, beta. This is the diatomic molecule for the different atoms. Ki the example, beta. The order of that dipole moment is gradually decreases from down the group. Okay? From down the group, it is going to be decreases because it's that polarity is decreasing. Polarity is decreasing. So that's why, what is that? That the mu value is also decreases. Okay? Next up. So in the previous statement, just we learn about the diatomic molecules. Now let us find out the triatomic molecules. So the resultant of mu of all bonds should be that in vertical combination for triatomic molecules. Kela untundi beta? The resultant of mu means the dipole moment will be of all bonds should be is present in that vertical combination. Adi elago chuddam. Okay na? See, so this is the formula for that mu. Mu equal to under root of mu1 square plus mu2 square plus mu1 into mu2 cos theta. That is nothing but what? Total resultant beta. Total resultant of that bonds. Okay. Chalo. Now let us see the example for that linear triatomic molecule. అంటే triatomic molecule ki ikkada manam two types తీసుకున్నాం. ఏంటిది అది? One the linear method, another one is that angular method. Okay. Triatomic molecules ki మనం ఏం చేసాం ఇక్కడ? Just we taken the two types. What is the first one? Linear triatomic molecule, and another one is that angular triatomic molecule. So let us check the dipole moment value for that linear triatomic molecule. Linear in the sense means what? The shape will be that linear. Linear eppudu untundi beta? At what time of that hybridization? Tell me.
SP.
sp hybridized
sp.
orbitals. Yes, very good. Then that shape of the molecule will be that linear. If they are linear, what would be the bond angle? Tell me. What would be the bond angle?
Triple bond.
Bond angle I am asking.
120. 120.
No.
120 degrees.
Linear beta. Linear.
180 degrees.
180 degrees. Okay. So linear triatomic molecule means must and should they possess that sp hybridization, and that bond angle will be 180 degrees. See, CO2. We can draw the structure. Okay. So similar atoms are there, similar species, isn't it na? Similar atoms undi beta ikkada ee central atom ki. So that's why that mu value equal to 0. Simple, because they are the non-polar. Carbon disulfide, CS2, linear, and sp hybridized molecule. So mu value equal to 0. Okay. Next, mercury dihalide. Mercury dihalide ante HgF2 తీసుకోవచ్చు, HgCl2, ఫ్లోరిన్, క్లోరిన్, బ్రోమిన్, అయోడిన్ ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా? అలా తీసుకుంటే ఇది కూడా sp హైబ్రిడేషన్, ఎందుకంటే లీనియర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి. సో లీనియర్ ఉంటే అక్కడ mu equal to 0 ఉంటుంది బేట. We can't find out. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ BeCl2, beryllium chloride. We know that sp hybridization, linear molecule. So that's why we can't find it that bond order. We can't find it. Sorry, not bond order. Why am I entering into that bond order? No, dipole moment. Okay. So the dipole moment mu value will be 0 for linear triatomic molecule because they are the non-polar. Now let us check about the angular. Angular in the sense means what would be the shape beta? Angular ante enti nanna?
Sir, non-polar అని మనం ఎట్లా కనుక్కుంటాం సార్?
అది ఒక మెథడ్ ఉంటుంది బేట, చెప్తాను ఈ టాపిక్ తర్వాత, వెదర్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ద పోలార్ అండ్ నాన్ పోలార్ అని. ఓకే, అది చార్జెస్ ని బట్టి ఉంటుంది. అంటే వెదర్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ద సాలిడ్స్ అండ్ దట్ లిక్విడ్స్ అండ్ దట్ గ్యాసెస్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ విల్ బి దేర్ నా. Now see better that CO2 is there. CO2, does it contains any charge? Is it contains any charge?
No, sir.
No charge. So that's why it is belongs to that non-polar. Non-polar in the sense means what? No charge is there.
Doesn't
Isn't it
having
na?
no charge.
అలా గుర్తుపట్టేస్తాం మనం. అర్థమైందా? ఇప్పుడు NH4 ప్లస్ ఉంది బెట, హ్యావింగ్ ఏ చార్జ్ లైక్ దట్,
It has positive charge.
పాజిటివ్ చార్జ్. ఓకేనా? అంటే దాన్ని డిసోసియేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత కూడా సి బెట ఆఫ్టర్ CO2 is going to releases that gas only like that, again that CO, even on that decomposition, isn't it na? But what about that H2O? What about that H2O? Look at that angular triatomic molecule H2O. See, I
Bent.
will write over here H2O undi beta. H2O on that decomposition means on dissociation it gives like that H plus and OH minus, isn't it na? Isn't
Yeah,
it
sir.
or not? So that means they are possessing the charges. So that means they are belongs to polar. If they are polar, we can find out the dipole moment. That means that mu value is not equal to 0 for them. Understood? But what
Yeah,
about
sir.
that CO2 beta? CO2 is obviously can reduces as that
Mu value
CO
equals to
gas.
0.
CO gas ఏ ఇస్తుంది, అంతేగాని మళ్ళీ సాలిడ్స్ అంటే it can't be separated out as this charge, isn't it na?
Yeah, sir.
CO carbon monoxide ఇస్తుంది. So that's why here mu value equal to 0. So we can't find out the charges like this, isn't it na beta?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Okay. Now come to that angular triatomic molecule. Angular means what? What is the shape beta? Angular ante which hybridized molecule?
V shape.
V shape. Very good. Otherwise
Bent.
bent shape. Very good. And it should belongs to that which hybridization beta? Belongs to which hybridization?
sp3d.
sp3 only, not D. Okay, sp3 only. See here I am writing over here. Okay, first linear rasta nenu linear. So linear ki ఏ hybridization ఉంటుంది beta? sp hybridization. What would be the bond angle? 180
180.
degrees. Okay, next angular is there. Angular shape, or simply we can say that V shape, otherwise we can say as that
Bent.
bent shape. Okay na? So it is belongs to sp3 hybridization with lone pairs. With lone pairs untene appudu adi V shape vastundi. How many lone pairs
Yes,
beta?
sir.
How many lone
One.
pairs? No, 2 lone pairs.
Two.
Okay na? ఒకవేళ 1 lone pair ఉంటే అది ఏంటిది బెటా చెప్పండి? నాట్ టెట్రాహైడ్రల్, సారీ, sp3 with
Trigonal
0.
planar.
టెట్రాహైడ్రల్ కాదు, పిరమిడల్ షేప్ బెటా. చెప్తాను నేను దానికి ఎగ్జాంపుల్. హియర్ ఓన్లీ ఐ విల్ ట్రై టు రైట్. ఓకే, నాట్ ఓవర్ హియర్. One lone pair is there. Let us suppose if it contains one lone pair is there, sp3 with one lone pair. Okay, అలాంటప్పుడు దీనికి షేప్ ఏముంటుంది బేటా? వన్ లోన్ పేర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు పిరమిడల్ షేప్. అవునా?
Yeah, sir.
ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దీనికి ఏమని ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు మనం? అమోనియా NH3, isn't it నా బేటా?
Yeah, sir.
Angular shape or V shape or bent shape, sp3 hybridization with 2 lone pairs.
H2O.
Exactly, H2O ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ sp3 hybridization with no lone pairs. Lone pairs are 0. Then it contains that tetrahedral. Generally we know that, isn't it na?
CH4.
Yes, CH4, alkanes groups. Okay, so come to over here. So angular means understood na beta, is the V shape, otherwise that ila bent chestunane. That V shape is just I am going to that bend like this, means that in ulta manner. So that's why simply we can say that bent shape also. Otherwise it simply we can say angular shape. So see, so angular and shape em untundi beta ikkada pyramidal kuda untundi. Okay na? Angular eppudu untundi? Angular eppudu untundi? sp3 with
When 2 lone pairs.
2 lone pairs. Pyramidal eppudu untundi? sp3 with 1 lone
One
pair.
lone pair.
Okay, next seesaw shape. దీన్ని మనం డిస్టార్టెడ్ షేప్ అని కూడా అంటాం. సో హియర్ సెంట్రల్ ఆటమ్ హ్యాస్ దట్ లోన్ పేర్. ట్రయాటమిక్ మాలిక్యూల్ లో సెంట్రల్ ఆటమ్ కంపల్సరీ ఏమి ఉండాలి బెట? ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ లో చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా ఇప్పుడు. సి NH3 మాలిక్యూల్, see NH3 molecule is there, and central atom contains lone pair. So that's why అలాంటి వాటిని the triatomic molecule ఏంటది? The central atom in angular type of the triatomic molecule is contains what? Must and should that central atom has that lone pair. Otherwise
Lone pair.
distorted shape అంటాం దాన్ని. distorted means what? So decreased. Reduced is that bond angle. Why it is going to be reduced is better? Due to the repulsion
presence of
between
lone
that,
pairs.
lone pair and bond pair. Due to the presence of what? This is the lone pair
Lone pairs.
and this is the bond pair. ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య ఏమవుతుంది? రిపల్సన్ అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? అది డిస్టార్టెడ్ షేప్ అవుతుంది, అంటే చేంజ్ అవుతుంది దాని షేప్. ఓకే, సో
Yeah, sir.
దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఫర్ ద ట్రయాటమిక్ మాలిక్యూల్. H2O అంటే 3 ఆటమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. H2S, OF2, NH3, PS3, PCl3, SCl4. But this one shown that seesaw shape, SCl4 and SO2. So all are these belongs to no SCl4 కాదు బెట, ఇది SCl3 ఉండాలి, not 4 is the wrong, isn't it? Now this one, see, then it should not be that triatomic molecule, it should be that tetraatomic molecule, isn't it? Now SCl4 and 4 atoms is going to be surrounding with that sulfur atom, isn't it? Now
Yeah, sir.
so that's why it should be written like that. That's it, beta. So this is the difference between that what? That linear triatomic molecule and angular
And angular triadic molecule.
So linear triatomic molecule ki mu value 0 untundi. Okay na? Next. ఇక్కడ linear triatomic molecule అది వచ్చేసింది కదా. So next page లో see beta, this one. Next we are going to end the session. Okay, and so next continuation of this one, dipole moment mu of the cis alkene, ante the cis isomer of that alkene is having that greater dipole moment than that of that trans alkene. So here we need to know what does it mean of that cis and trans beta. So cis means what? Cis means what? What does it mean of that cis beta? Same. Cis means what? Same. Trans means what? Opposite. Please do remember once again, I'm telling this one means of the cis and the trans. Cis means what, beta? Tell me, what does mean of the cis? Same. Trans ante enti? Opposite. Ante cis ante sister ani gurtu pettukondi. Okay na? Cis means what? Sister. Almost that face feelings of that brother and that sister will be the same na, little bit ala gurtu pettukondi. Easy method untundi. Okay na? So cis means what? Sister ante same. But trans ante enti beta? Is that enemy type, like that opposite. Yeah. So what would be that same and what would be that opposite over here? We need to learn, because in the 10th standard SSC lo already undanukuntanu beta idi cis and trans, I think. Don't know exactly.
No, sir.
No, not there. Okay. See beta. So ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, ఎలాంటి కాంపౌండ్ తీసుకుంటున్నాడు? ఆల్కిన్. ఆల్కిన్ అంటే ఏం బాండ్ ఉండాలి బేటా? కంపల్సరీ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి దట్ డబుల్ బాండ్. ఓకేనా? కంపల్సరీ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి దట్ డబుల్ బాండ్. అంటే CH CH3 CH CH3. ఓకే, అంటే the similar atoms, hydrogen is said to be as that atoms. CH3 will be known as what? Groups. Okay na? Understood or not? Ante the atoms are the groups. What type of that atoms? The similar atoms. The same atoms are groups if we arrange at the same side of the carbon-carbon double bond. See here, carbon-carbon double bond is there. Okay. Otherwise, I will try to draw a diagram over here. See, carbon-carbon double bond. Carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, na? Here I am taking that CH3. Okay. And here I am taking the CH3. And here I am having that hydrogen, and here I am having the hydrogen. What about over here? Carbon-carbon double bond. Here I taken the CH3, but here I taken the CH3. And here hydrogen, and here hydrogen. So look at the differentiation between these two, beta. See, CH3, 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 CH3. Okay, and here
Yes.
CH3, CH3. Come to over here, and here that hydrogen, 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 and hydrogen, hydrogen. See beta, same color is present at the same side of the carbon-carbon double bond now, isn't it now? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
What about over here? The same color of the components
Opposite
of the
side.
molecules are presented that opposite direction, opposite, simply to say trans. Understood? So same
Yes, sir.
side means cis. That's it. Understood? Understood, beta? And both are having the same molecular formula. The both compounds having the same molecular formula. How? First count the total number of the carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there. And how many hydrogens are there? 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. What about this one? This one is also same. Isn't it now? Please count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons. 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. So both are having the same molecular formula. Dini mana emantam beta? Both are having the same molecular formula. But they differ in the arrangement of the atoms and groups. Understood? The both are having the same molecular formula, but differ in the arrangement. Arrangement of what?
Molecules.
Atoms or that molecules. If the similar atoms or similar groups, if they are arranged at the same side of the carbon-carbon double bond, then they are belongs to cis isomer. Simply we can say they are belongs to cis isomer. If the same molecules or the similar atoms are present at the opposite side of the carbon-carbon double bond, then we can say as a trans isomer. We can say as trans isomer. Understood beta? Okay na? అంటే ఇక్కడ ఆల్వేస్ ఇప్పుడు డైపోల్ మూమెంట్ దేనికి ఎక్కువ ఉంది అంటున్నాడు ఇక్కడ? దేనికి బేటా? Always cis alkene is having that more dipole moment. Okay, which one is having that more dipole moment?
Cis alkene.
Yes, dipole moment. The arrow mark, this is given for the dipole moment. Okay na? Okay beta, so this is the